BRS in the upcoming polls?
Well, the BRS waited till today, and after weighing all the options, we have taken a conscious decision to abstain from the election. The reasons are very compelling. Our party leadership has been insisting that Telangana farmers today are in a state of crisis for shortage of fertilizer, in particular urea. We requested Government of India repeatedly, we requested the state government, but in spite of all these such severe and our regular requests, both the governments have failed to address the farmers' issue. So, since there is no nota available on the ballot paper, so abstaining from this election should be treated as none of the above, and this is the way we register our protest against the farmers' distress in Telangana. And also I would like to add that the Union Minister representing Telangana went on record to say that we do not require a BRS support, and the other party, which is the India party concerned Congress government in Telangana, has been harassing our party workers at the district and grassroots level. So in a situation like this, BRS party, our leader KCRG, after discussing with all of us, has directed us that this is the only option. And we would like to tell the country that abstaining is nota, and the reason is the farmers' distress and the attitude of both the parties. We have great respect for both the candidates. Both the candidates are people of candidates of eminence. We respect them, and one happens to be from my own state. But in spite of that, these are the compelling reasons, like I said, which forces us to abstain from the voting.
Chief Minister Revant Reddy has met BRS defected legislator. How do you see that?
Well, this is just to strengthen my line of argument that how they are trying to break my party, how they are trying to harass my party members, and in spite of the Supreme Court's clear-cut directive to the Honorable Speaker, the Chief Minister trying to salvage something out of that, it clearly shows the scant respect they have for parliamentary democracy, where the party's high command, which is the Congress high command, has suggested of bringing in changes in the disqualification act in the 10th schedule. In spite of that, the party deciding something in Delhi and what's happening in Hyderabad totally contradicts the Congress stand. Thank you.